Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a sticker text effect on the CapCut PC app. So I'm just going to add this as a background. You can use any background you want, of course, and I'm just going to add in a text and I'm just going to type in sticker. Then I am just going to select a font, maybe like this one. Then I am going to select this one and I'm going to change the color of the text, but I just want that like white outline. And you can also adjust the outline here in stroke if you want to make it like a little bit thicker. I'm just going to scale the sticker a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing. Go to effects and go to texture, and you are going to add in some like sticker textures, like some folds and some like print texture as well. I think I might make the orange a little bit darker so you can see it. Then I will select everything, right click, create compound clip, so it will only be applied to the sticker. And yeah, that is basically it. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!